David and Taylor standing outside the Wildwood Heritage Glen, the
265BSRB.
what's BSRB stand for?
Bed slide rear bath.
Bathroom? Bath?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Which we'll see here in just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. So you want to talk about the outside? What do we got going on here?
So we have our fiberglass exterior out here. We do have a small camp kitchen here, little mini fridge.
Yep.
You can see we've got our exterior jacks for television, and then down here you do have pretty big.
Pass-through?
Yep, pass-through storage.
Yep. All right. What's this? Weather shield, one-piece fiberglass roof. Why is that important?
Oh, so these are one solid piece fiberglass exterior roof, so that is, it'll have less ability to leak. You also have, see how it's rounded here at the top? So that way the seam is down here. That just helps to prevent any kind of leakage going in there. It helps to protect it, keep it for longer.
Awesome. That's smart. They're thinking. All right. So you want to get inside?
Yeah, absolutely.
Take a look at the bed slide rear bath.
Yes.
Right? The BSRB.
Yep.
I'm learning. Go right ahead. All right. So inside the, now I forget, Wildwood Heritage Glen. It's an RB, BSRB. It should be BSRBB because that's a rear big bath. This is, right? This is, this seems bigger than what I would expect when on a...
Especially on a small trailer,
Yeah. Yeah, all kinds of room in here. Obviously a double vanity. You got storage underneath. You're going to put up with a little bit of sink underneath there, but still a lot there. Underneath here, you got more back here. And then a decent sized shower. So
you have a porcelain toilet as well.
That is porcelain? Nice. So much room for activities. What movie is that from? So much room for activities, do you know?
Is it Step Brothers?
Yes, Step Brothers. Well done. We did not rehearse that. She nailed it. Yeah. All right, so here's all the living space. Let's talk about it.
So you have solid surface countertops. You do have the strip lighting. I personally really like it much more than the pocket lights.
Yeah.
You do have theater seat, and then 12-volt refrigerator, nice huge sink.
It's a big sink.
Yeah, that's a big sink. Oven, 3-burner cooktop, decent sized microwave, TV is included. And then these have the built-in shades, so they're not smacking while you're driving. Yeah. They're not gonna rip and tear while you have to pull them up and move them around.
Sure. Look at that.
Pretty easy peasy.
Right in their little grooves.
Yep.
It feels like a home window too, like an actual window from a home.
Yeah.
Storage behind the refrigerator. I think that's smart because you'd lose some space if you push that. If you push that refrigerator all the way back, you may have a little more room in front of it, but it's pointless.
Yeah.
You know, so use that space behind it. I like the little bar you have here. This is really, I mean, it's
a perfect couples camper.
Yeah, I would say it's for two.
Yeah.
You don't have a bed or a couch that opens to a bed, so you're looking for a couple people, unless you have some very small people that can sleep up in there. But yeah, and of course, this being a slide gives you a bunch more room. So yeah, this is a lot of space, even more count. I didn't even notice those cabinets. These are big drawers too.
Yeah.
Holy moly, everything's huge in this RV. What are we missing? What are we missing out on that we? I feel like with a bathroom that big, this is a decent size. It just seems like we're missing something.
It's almost like a Mary Poppins trailer.
Yeah. The inside is it's huge.
Yeah. And the bedroom's pretty decent size too. So with the bed slide, this helps open up the bedroom. You got a nice little vanity setup here.
Look at all this.
And then you've got a good decent sized closet through here too. With washer dryer hookups.
Yeah, this seems weird to me. This seems weird that it's this big. I mean, that closet even is bigger than I thought it would be.
Yeah, the closet's pretty big. And like I said, it does have the washer dryer hookup, so tons of storage, really efficient use of the space. And then you've got like these nice little amenities like having a vanity with a seat, you've got a dresser, you've got bed, underbed storage.
You got a room for your TV.
Second AC.
And a second AC for in here. Yeah, no, this seems... It does. It's weird to me that it's as big as it is.
Yeah.
I know how many times I've said that in this video. A lot.
It's a really, really efficient use of the space.
Yeah. Storage under here too, I'm assuming.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, look at those fancy baskets. Almost like more storage on the outside you can get to from the outside. Yeah. All right. So if somebody wants this RV, what would they do? How do they get hold of you?
You can give me a call. My number is 937-588-8677.
You getting this, what you call it, Mary Poppins? Yeah. This is awesome. It is. It's really open especially for couples.
Yeah.
This is plenty of room. A lot of times we have the smaller, much smaller RVs. We call it couples just because it's small.
Yeah.
This
one's still relatively small. I mean, it's still going to be lightweight. It's still going to be relatively compact. But for all that you have in it, it's a huge, wonderful use of the space.
Yeah, this is great. I love this. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.